Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off color inversion mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you can see, our color inversion is enabled. So we need to go to settings menu, then scroll all the way down until we see accessibility options here. Then at the top, vision enhancements. And here we have our color inversion enabled. To turn it off, we simply need to tap it once and we have our standard default colors back. That was all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.